Okay, let's discuss this before others join very quickly. What government wants is that schools open with social distance and with safety measures or precautionary measures. That means that you can come to school, but you cannot come and sit together. Looking at only from the academic point of view, only from the books point of view. Yes, studies and covering syllabus is important, but one of the important function of school is that it is a place where there is a lot of social interaction, a lot of equality is there. Schools are the great equalizer. Doesn't matter you're from a rich background or poor background or from this or that community. In the school, you are the same. It teaches you that and how to have social relationships, behave properly among each other, to make friends, to work in a group. So this will be very difficult. You may be able to do it, in my opinion, practically. From the health side, it is very necessary, absolutely necessary. I cannot deny that. If we allow you to sit close together, who knows, you might get infected. You may not be also, but then nobody wants to take the chance. Least of all me or your parents, even yourselves. For a short while it may work, but in the long run, you know, students themselves, if we are too strict also, you may not even feel like coming to school. If I come to school and I can't even meet my friends. So that kind of thing might be there. It may not be there if you can adjust, well and good. But chances are when you meet your friends after a long time, even for grown-ups, also for adults, it is quite natural that we want to get as close as possible to them. So this is number one. In the long run, it is a little unrealistic. It is a little impractical. That is what I think.
I think we won't be able to do that.
Yeah, practically it's very difficult. No? You come to school and you meet your friends, and then suppose you get together, and you break the rule, and then what action from the school side we are going to take? We have to give you some punishment or some penalty. It's not nice for us to do that also. And it's not nice for you especially. So like I said, the basic function of school is not understood. It's not only learning your books. It's learning so many good behaviors, good manners, social interaction. Online class is not just hi, hello, how are you, na dam dam, na bu ne otam, yeah. If you know bolam, she says hello, so then you have to do some written work. So write an essay. Topic is COVID-19. What do you think? How can we survive all this? How should we go about it? Look, let's say Lighthouse School. Actually, if we have social distancing, we can do it very properly. If we have to do it as per the rule. Because our campus is quite big. It's about 2.5 acres. And classrooms are also big enough. And students are very less. So it's quite manageable. Even if we have 2 sections or 3 sections. And new rooms are available also. The new building. Even the old buildings have bigger rooms. So it's possible. So yes, right now everyone is interested to come back to school. Everyone, including me. Frankly, I'm a little tired of online class also. My eyes are paining, my hands are paining.
Sir, only for class 9 and 10.
Yes, for lower classes, actually, screen time is not recommended. Harmful for your skin and for your eyes. Look at mobile screens for a long time. You put it very close to your face, isn't it, naturally? And then you end up having pimples and this and skin problems and other problems are there. And it's a kind of dependency, you know, you kind of a habit. Okay, the next point regarding when to open, when to have a date for reopening of schools, that is to make the calendar.
Yes, sir, July.
All right. But then once again, July with the same social distancing, the government will say 6 feet, 2 meters, but I will say 10 or 12 feet. I want to be double sure. On the health side, I don't want even one single infection from Lighthouse, whether it is among students or teachers or parents or anyone. One thing you forget to realize is that, everyone forgets is that some schools in other countries got it under control and then it reopened slowly. But then infection came up again. Now it has closed up again. So in that case, what happens to the calendar? That means we start, we stop, we start, we stop again. Isn't that really impractical? It's like what is happening in lockdown, isn't it? Sometimes they open, sometimes they close. You'll get more irritated, more fed up. And school preparation is very much important. We have to prepare for a class. You have to get prepared to come to school. You have to plan your whole day or whole week or whole month according to that. Planning don't survive you, so it will get all mixed up. Okay, what other people suggest is that why not have a 0 year? 0 year means that there is no pressure on anyone, on the student, on the teacher, on the school, on the system. To the extent possible, it's engageable, but there is no pass, no fail. Only when things are under control, then we will start properly. Then if the government agrees and they adjust the academic age, that can be adjusted just a matter of 1 year. But let's see what others think. This is what I think. If you have 0 year, that means it takes away the pressure. Right now, the pressure is too much, frankly speaking. We have lost a lot of time, and then what they also propose is to reduce the syllabus. Reducing syllabus is not nice, isn't it? It's like saying, oh, yesterday we gave you rice and dal and chicken curry and pork and vegetable. And from tomorrow you'll get only rice, dal and chicken and whatever you want to add, or whatever metam, it is up to you. You add it as you like. That's not very practical. Best thing is to remove pressure. Right now the main pressure is you are looking at the wrong side. The main pressure will be if you get sick. That's minimizing pressure on everyone. If you have a 0 year, it cancels the pressure. One year is nothing compared. And if the government adjusts your schedule and your academic age, it won't be an issue. Health should be the number one priority. At the same time, get used to the only way to prevent is to maintain a distance.